Alrighty guys, so we're up here at Cave Run. We brought the crappie pole and the bass pole just in case. It's January, or no, it's February now. We're gonna try to go down here and catch some. I know people come down here in December and catch crappie. So water temps are about 50 degrees right now, and the winter pool's up over here at the spillway. So we're gonna try to see what it looks like and see if it's any good. Alrighty guys, we made it down here. Basically, there's a little creek that runs through here, and when the water rises it fills it up too, so fish will go back in there. And then there's this little pool, and it kind of cuts off with the current there, so we're gonna see if we can catch any crappie out of it or something. I talked to a feller walking out of here, and he was musky fishing. He said he got a bump. That was about it. But most of that creek back there, it's got a little sheet ice on it. So we'll try to fish it and see what happens. So we got a little jig on there, a little paddle tail jig. I'm gonna start with trying to just cast it out there. It's kind of rocky around here.
So basically, I ended up not catching anything. Didn't get any bites, but while I was there, ended up meeting a buddy, and he fished with me for a little while. When neither one of us had any luck, so we decided to go to a local pond and try to do some trout fishing.
We're at a local pond here.
And I really didn't record much after that because I was kind of disappointed
Donnie's gonna try to get
with
one.
the spot, but I got a little video of the trout fishing, so here y'all go.
Really?
Yeah, for sure.
It ticks me off when they jump off. That ticks me off. Oh, brother's coming up. Jordan caught one.
I'm just casting over there.
That one looks bigger.
I wish you could catch trout on top water.
You can. That one's a good one too.
Yeah.
Yeah, though, it just stops you. It's just like, it just stops.
Oh! No, you hear it pulling drag when I hooked into it?
There's one.
He's got one.
Oh, there we go. That's a good one.
Fucking get in here, son of a bitch.
That little green one did good.
Huh? Oh, I know.
We're tied now. Whoever catches this last one is.
See if I got some kind of spinner baits in there.